Hi, I'm Rosie Batista with iCookNaked.com, and I'm here today to bring you a no-bake breakfast cookie with flax and oatmeal. Awesome. All naked ingredients. So what do we have here? We have flax, we have pecans, we have raisins, we have almonds, we have oats, peanut butter, banana, and dates. All beautiful, amazing foods to start your day with. And these are so easy. You don't have to bake them. You freeze them and you can grab them when you need them. So what we're going to start out doing is making our oatmeal, our dry oatmeal, in the blender, and we're going to whirl it around until it creates this flour-like consistency. Just going to put in our flour and start our blender. There you go. It's that simple. And now we have our flour. So we're going to take our flour and put it into the bowl. And now we're going to add the rest of our dry ingredients, which are raisins, almonds, pecans, and flax. And we're just going to give that a mix. Just imagine if you made a bowl of oatmeal in the morning and you dumped flax on it and pecans, kind of the same thing. So this cookie is really so good for you. So now we're going to take our wet ingredients and mix them up in the blender. Okay, so now we're going to take a banana. Going to take our 15 dates that I soaked overnight, and now we're going to take our peanut butter, and we're going to give this a whirl. Now we're going to take our wet ingredients and mix it in with our dry. This smells so amazing. I'm going to mix everything together to form a dough-like consistency. There's a lot of nutrients in here. Really good fat coming from the nuts. So if you wanted to, you could add a few chocolate chips, and then you'd have more of a sweet treat. But right now we're making this a breakfast cookie, so we're really good just as it is. So what I have here is a mini muffin tin lined with beautiful little red papers. And it's a lot of fun just to make, the ball cookies. It's much easier than trying to flatten them out and all that. And it's kind of nice to just be able to pick up the paper and have that as your snack. So one of my favorite kitchen tools is this little cookie scooper. So you see it has this little thing inside that I'm going to scoop up the dough. All of my cookies are going to be the same size, and this little lever here is going to release the dough right out. Since we're not baking these, we're not going to have any expansion, so we can fill them all the way up to the top. And adding just a little bit extra. So here's your no-bake cookies. We're going to put this in the freezer, and you're done. So here we are with our amazing breakfast cookie. And for breakfast, you can have 3 of these babies. So put them on a plate with a great cup of tea, and you have a great start to your morning. I'm Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com. Ciao for now, while I chow on this.